Question 1. India recently adopted the Digital Work Plan 2023 along with which bloc? Option A ASEAN, Option B G20, Option C G7, Option D SAARC. Please comment correct answer in comment section. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer. ASEAN notes the third ASEAN Digital Ministers ADGMIN meeting with India was held on a virtual platform. India and Philippines co-chaired the meeting and adopted India-ASEAN Digital Work Plan 2023. In 2022, ASEAN India Friendship Year was celebrated, commemorating 30th anniversary of establishment of dialogue relations with ASEAN. It was held under the theme Synergy Towards a Sustainable Digital Future. Question 2. Which state UT announced an inflation relief package of 19,000 crore in the state's budget for 2023-24? Option A Uttarakhand, Option B Gujarat, Option C Rajasthan, Option D Punjab. Please comment correct answer in comment section. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer C Rajasthan. Notes: Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot announced an inflation relief package of 19,000 crore in the state's budget for 2023-24. The package aims to provide relief to the masses from rising prices. The package includes free food packets every month to poor families, LPG cylinders for 500 rupees under the Ujjwala scheme and free electricity up to 100 units per month to domestic consumers. The coverage amount was raised from 10 lakh rupees to 25 lakh rupees. Chiranjeevi Swasthya Bima Yojana. Question 3. Which city hosts the World Government Summit 2023? Option A New Delhi, Option B New York, Option C Dubai, Option D Paris. Please comment correct answer in comment section. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer C Dubai. Notes: World Government Summit 2023 is being held in Dubai. Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed, Crown Prince of Dubai, honored the winners of the Global Government Excellence Award. The award recognizes exceptional government initiatives, practices and officials from around the world. Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk will take center stage on the final day of the World Government Summit in Dubai. Question 4. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? UT. Option A Rajasthan, Option B Gujarat, Option C Madhya Pradesh, Option D Bihar. Please comment correct answer in comment section. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer Rajasthan. Notes: the Rajasthan State Forest Department has proposed to construct a zoo inside Kevladev National Park, a World Heritage Site popularly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. The wetland ex situ conservation establishment WES aims to display a range of wetland species, including rhinos, water buffaloes, crocs, dolphins and exotic species. AFD, an arm of the French government, has agreed to fund up to 1,200 crore over 8 years. Experts raise questions about the zoo coming up in a significant habitat for migratory birds. Question 5. Brigadier B.D. Mishra retired has been appointed as the Governor LG of which state? UT. Option A Kerala, Option B West Bengal, Option C Himachal Pradesh, Option D Ladakh. Please comment correct answer in comment section. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer D Ladakh. Notes: President of India Draupadi Murmu appointed governors in 12 states and a union territory while accepting the resignation of 2 governors, namely Maharashtra's Bhagat Singh Koshari and Ladakh's Radhakrishnan Mathur. Jharkhand Governor Ramesh Bais is now Governor of Maharashtra and Arunachal Pradesh Governor Brigadier B.D. Mishra retired has been appointed as Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh.